Don't download ActiveTrail Enterprise Marketing and Automation app before watching this. Before you download ActiveTrail Enterprise Marketing and Automation, here's what most businesses miss. It's not just an email marketing platform. At the enterprise level, it combines multi-channel automation, personalized campaigns, and analytics, but most teams get this wrong by underestimating setup complexity. Step 1. Define your marketing goals. ActiveTrail allows email, SIMs, and automation workflows. Most people get this wrong by sending generic campaigns without segmenting their audience, which drastically reduces engagement. Step 2. Build customer journeys. Enterprise features let you create personalized sequences that guide leads through the buying process. The surprising truth is, without careful planning, automation can overwhelm prospects rather than nurture them. Step 3. Integrate with your CRM and analytics tools. ActiveTrail works best when connected to customer databases and sales platforms. Without integration, you risk losing valuable insights about customer behavior. Step 4. Monitor, test, and optimize. Enterprise analytics track opens, clicks, conversions, and ROI. Teams that actively refine workflows based on these insights see higher engagement and better campaign performance. The upside: when used correctly, ActiveTrail Enterprise can increase lead conversion by up to 35%, streamline multi-channel campaigns, and save teams hours of repetitive work each week. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization is ready to plan campaigns, structure automation thoughtfully, and monitor performance consistently. For smaller teams or basic email needs, standard plans may be more practical. Subscribe for honest insights to make sure your enterprise marketing investments truly pay off.